Christmas.
No, it didn't.
You did.
Yes, you did.
Alright.
You already forgot.
And we also have this unicorn right here. It's a light up plush unicorn. We got it at
from Walmart.
Walmart.
Yeah, we got it from
It's
Walmart.
on sale.
It's never opened, but see the box
The
is
box
already
it was a little
broken.
bit. It's a bit broken.
You know, sometimes this
So let's
how you get it from the
let's
store.
open the cover. Okay. Yeah. Let's open the cover. Okay, and it also is coming in pieces.
Ooh.
Oh, this is a big
Oh,
unicorn.
be careful, be careful.
So cozy.
Unicorn.
Oh, it's so cozy.
Okay, what's this? This is the
Toy!
horn.
That one was a tail.
That's a horn.
Look, Kuya, I'm a unicorn.
So let's assemble it.
Look, Kuya.
Let's
Unicorn has
start
one big head.
assembling.
This unicorn has one big head.
Okay, let's assemble this. Come on. We need daddy's help.
Where did the legs go?
Gotta help us. Oh.
These are the legs.
The unicorn lost its leg.
These are the legs.
Walang isang
Just hope it doesn't lose its head.
tail.
It might lose the head.
That's the tail. Where's the tail?
No, this like that. Oh, there.
Leg and leg, tsaka arm.
How about this?
Okay, this is the legs. This is the ears.
This is the tail, kuya. Ano to?
Oh no, that's the
This
leg.
is
That's
the
the leg.
tail.
This is the leg.
That's the head.
Yeah, that's a part of the leg and ito.
Mommy, I found the
And we named the
tail.
unicorn Nick.
That's the ears.
Mommy, I found the tail.
Nearly headless snake.
Wait, where's that?
Kuya.
Ano daw?
Nik-nik daw.
Nik-nik. May nik-nik.
No, because it's nearly headless Nick.
Baliktad ata. Yan!
You know how to
Or
put
ba? Papi.
this?
So naman yung horn.
Can we
doesn't have a lot of
keep it
pouches.
inside?
That's why there's like this.
Nearly headless
Just one.
snake.
Hey, can I use this?
I guess.
Look, Kuya! Kuya, look! Look, Kuya!
So
Probably
like their leg.
Yeah.
Where's the other?
Wait,
Papi nga yan.
These are spoons! These are
This is
spoons!
a unicorn.
These are unicorns!
Papi. It looks like a puppy with a horn.
It's broken.
No,
Look,
it's horn.
that one doesn't have one. No, this one doesn't have one. It doesn't have one. And then this
How
one.
do we do it?
Ayun na, suksok. May suksukan, daddy. May suksukan.
I'll tap the
This
eye.
must be the ears.
Here's yung dalawang maliit.
Where's the box?
Wala. O, ayan. Oh. Teka, tulungan ko kasi daddy. Kuya, Sarah. Nasaan yung tol? Kuya, dito yan. Dito yan, kuya. Ayan, yan. Oh.
Wait, ano?
Oh, ayan. Ganyan. Oh. Suksok mo dyan. Ito
So,
din sa
so
kabila.
it's
Sa
sitting
kabila.
down.
Oh. Ako na yung isang
The
paa.
way it's sitting, it looks
Ito,
like
ito yung wala. Yung sinasabi ni kuya na sira. Wala.
it looks like it doesn't even have one.
But you can ano.
I'm putting on the
Happy yung pag-ubot niya.
Ayan. Kaya nga, papi yung pag-upo niya. Kaya nga. Yan naman na lang ito, daddy.
Ipit
Sikit
mo na
na
lang.
lang. Ipit na lang. Nakaipit na.
Happy.
Wait, where's that ear hole?
Lalagyan na lang ni daddy ng clip and hairpin. Pwede
It's
hairpin.
puppy.
Alright yan.
Puppy with a horn.
Happy with a horse. Happy with a
Daya
horse.
tayo niya. Papi with the horn pala. Ganyan lang kung
Ayan, okay na yan. Kuya.
Puppy with a. It looks like it has a fox tail.
Lagyan
It's
Ay,
foxy.
saksakan.
Pin lang. Pin. Pin.
It's Fox's tail.
Mami yan.
I'll brush it here.
Huwag mo na i-brush mo.
Teka. Nalasan mo lang konti ah.
It doesn't have any hair. Can we take off the horn na para
Okay, now let's see.
para maging puppy na
Oh
lang?
my God, oh. Let's see, are you ready?
Where's the smell?
1, 2, 3. Ooh!
Saan yung mouth niya?
Now we have this.
So this is Nick.
No, Layla.
Is it Nick?
No, it's
Yes.
Layla.
Layla?
Okay, we can name it Layla.
Layla. say the puppy unicorn?
It
It looks like a puppy.
If we take out the horn, it looks like a puppy. Or is it
It
a?
is Plush. Yeah.
Or is it a hybrid of a beluga whale, a blimp, a fox, and a puppy?
Where should we put this?
I think it's
In
right now.
Sarah's door.
Inside.
In Sarah's door.
Let's put it inside his room.
Inside Sarah's room.
Room?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Or maybe in the corner, like when we
No,
go
I'll put
upstairs.
it in my room.
Put it in your room.
The light fell out again. Okay, so right now the leg is a little bit loose, but we can fix that.
Hybrid.
So guys, if you like this
If you like this unicorn,
like the Flash unicorn.
we bought it at Walmart for. We bought it at Walmart for 1984.
Ooh,
We bought it in 1984 for 1984.
But we're not sure. You have to check your nearest Walmart if they have this in
So
stock.
if you like this unicorn puppy,
Okay, new puppy. Okay, so guys, if you like this unicorn, we're going to be. Are you gonna be putting the link in the description?
Yeah.
Okay, so we might be putting the link in the description down below. So guys, thank you for watching.
bye.
And Merry
Bye.
Christmas!
Merry
Da,
Christmas.
da, 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 da. I forgot the song.
We wish you